Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we're learning about the letter O. The words in this book are ostrich, olive, ox, octopus, and office. Our special guests are cherry and taco. This is the letter O. The uppercase and lowercase versions of O are very similar. The only difference is that the lowercase version is smaller. It makes the sound O. This is an ostrich. It's a tall animal that runs very quickly. Ostrich. This is an olive. It's a small food that can be either green or black. Olive. This is an ox. An ox is another type of fast animal. Ox. This is an octopus. Octopus live in the ocean and have 8 legs. Octopus. This is an office. Some people work in offices. Office. Let's play a game. Which word does not belong? Ostrich, cherry, olive, ox, octopus, or office? That's right, it's the cherry. Cherry does not have an O sound. Let's play again. Now we have an ostrich, taco, olive, ox, octopus, and office. Which one is the odd one out? That's right, it's the taco. Great job. Now, can you find the ostrich? Great work! This is the ostrich. Now find the olive. Great work! This is the olive. Now, can you find the ox? Great work! This is the ox. Let's find the octopus. Good job! This is the octopus. Now, can you find the office? Great work! Now, repeat after me one more time. Ostrich, olive, ox, octopus, office. Great job! Follow along at storybee.space for more. I'll see you on the next one.